Hello viewers, would you ever leave a client project halfway finished? Your answer is obviously not. Without these two crucial features, your architecture model is technically incomplete. We are picking up right where we left off with our previous model. No fluff, no wasted time. Let's dive right in. Now first we will click on level 1. Now we will take its dimensions. The short key of dimensions is DI. So just click on here, select the option wall faces, then its first wall, and on the second wall, just click here. Now if we want to move the wall from the right side, we will click on the right wall. First click on modify, then now click on the right wall, and now click here on the value of the walls. So we will put here 30. The size has changed now. We can see in the 3D also. We can hide these elements. Just click one and press SA. Now right click on and hide in view in elements. So we can see easily now. Okay, just click on level 1 again, and we will start a new wall inside. Click on architecture tab, now on wall, and we will change the size of the wall. Here we will select generic 5. So this wall is same height like this. We can verify on the other angle. Okay, it's fine. We will go on level 1 again. Here we will add a door. The door size will smaller than earlier. Click on this one and just put it here. Here we can change the direction of the door. First click on modify, click on door, and now press here. We can see change the distance from there, 1 feet 9 inches. It's fine now. We can see it again from the 3D view. Press shift key and middle mouse button. Here we can rotate the model. So suppose if we change the door size, what we'll do, click on the door. Now edit type. Here we can change the size. First make it duplicate and make it 66 inches. Here is 72 inches. 50 inches and 72 inches. Click OK. 50 inches, press enter, and 72 inches, press enter. OK. Here we can see the door size has changed. If we press on front of the cube, we can see here look like this one. And now this door has bigger size. We can change also it. Duplicate its size, we can 36 inches and it's 72 inches. Press OK. Here width 36 inches and here is 72 inches height. apply. Okay, both door sizes same now. Okay, again click on level 1. Here we can make another wall. It is closet area, and now we will add the closet door. If we don't find closet door, we can download from the website. Yes, there is not by default. For closet, we will use bifold panel door, and I have already downloaded it from the internet. So load it here and use it. Just click on load family. We have it here, and we can change the sizes. Yes, it's working here. We can check it here. This is a bifold panel door for the closet. Now move this window in the middle of the wall. That's it. 5, 4, 11. Okay. Now we will move for its floor. Just click on floor. Here we will use architecture floor. Just click on here. Here we can use this pick line option. We can also use rectangle options. We can also use line options. So first click on level 1. Now we will use rectangle. Just click outside of the corner, and here other corner we can change its size from edit type. Let's move on. Click on finish edit mode and 3D now. You can see the floor has adjusted bottom of the wall, and we can verify from its elevation now. Here is the our level. Here is our level, and here is the floor that we just created it here. Okay, we will move on the next part, that is roof. Just click on level 2 first. Now we will use the roof by footprint. We will use here 18 inches offset. It will give you a beautiful look. Just click on here and click on here. Okay, click on finish edit mode. Here is your roof. Now we'll see on 3D. It will look like this one. And we can change it in other way. I will show you how we will do it. Just click on here, click on edit footprint. Here we can see roof slope. If we will make it 0 or disable it, the shape will be changed. So we will disable here and click on here and disable here, apply and click OK now. Here is the shape you can see there. Now we can change its height of the slope. Again, click on footprint, click on this slope and size 4 inches by 12 inches. Here again 4 inches by 12 inches. Click on OK. Here you can see the look has quite changed and it looks beautiful also. To cover this gap, we will use another feature. Just click on the wall and attach to top base option. Click on here and now click on the roof. It will cover it up. You can see there. Same as click on this wall, attach to base and click on the roof here. The same thing we will do here. Just click on the wall, attach to top base, click on here and click on this wall, attach to top base and click the roof now. So this is a beautiful hut now. For today it's enough and I hope many things you have learned, and next coming tutorial we will create a complete house with different options. I will increase some other new things for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.